Okay, let's see how can add a Cardano wallet connect option in your Next.js app. So first we need to install two packages. So I'll just need to run this command yarn add and then multiply labs mesh and then multiply labs mesh react. I have already installed it, so I'll not install it. Okay, so I have installed this. Now you need to go into the pages and then underscore app, and you need to wrap mesh provider with components. So I'll just import mesh provider from multiply labs mesh react. So I'll import mesh provider and I'll just wrap this thing with mesh provider. Oops. Now it should be fine. Okay, I have wrapped it. Now we need to configure the webpack. So we need to go into the next config.json and then just paste this thing. Now we'll start the app. Okay, it started. And just open the console. Okay, now let's see how you can get the installed wallets in your next app. So what I'll do, I will just import use state and use effect from React, and then I'll import and now I'll import the browser wallet. Let's see how you can get the wallet. So if you just try console log and then browser wallet dot get installed wallets, you'll get the list of wallets. Oops, it's okay. Need to wrap this thing in the use effect. Now if you log this thing, you will get the installed wallets. You can see we get the Eternl and Nami as we have installed this thing. Now let's store this wallet in the use state hook. So I'll define a wallet and set wallets, store it in use state hook. Now I will define the type of this, so it should be an array and it should have name, which will be the string, icon, which will be string, and version. Okay, let's set it up. Now I'll just set the wallets here. Now if I just try to log the wallets, you can see I'm getting the wallets. Okay, I will add one button. Okay, now I'll import from mesh react. I will import connected use wallet, and I'll just call this hook. And it will give us connect and connected and disconnect. Now what I'll do is I'll just check if the wallet is not connected, then it should show a button. So I add the button and it will just say connect. Okay, now let's see how you can connect these things. So I'll just add one function called connect wallet. It should be a sync function, and here I just call await and then connect and then the wallet name. So wallet name will be Nami, and I will call this thing when the button is clicked. It's connected because I have already connected this thing. So if I just go into the settings and just remove this thing, it should show a pop-up. You can see it showing a pop-up. Now let's see how you can add the multiple wallets. So we are getting the list of wallets here, so I'll just add one parameter here, be wallet name, and it should be string, and I will add try catch so it should not fail, and I'll just log the error. Okay, now let's wrap this thing. Now I'll wallets.map, and here it should return wallet. Now I'll just map through the wallets and it will return a wallet. For each wallet it should return one button. So just do like this, and I will just pass the wallet.name, and here I will just add wallet.name. You can see both Nami and Eternl is showing. So if I just we need to add keys also. So I will add another property called key and just pass the wallet name. Okay, no errors is there. Now if we just click on connect, it will pop up the Nami, and if we connect Eternl, okay, we are passing Nami always. To put this thing here. Now if I click on connect Eternl, it will pop up the Eternl wallet, and if I click the Nami, it will pop up the Nami wallet. Now let's see how you can disconnect this thing. So you just need to call if it is connected. If it is connected, then it should show a button. And it will just call the function disconnect. Now let's connect the Nami wallet. You can see access, and then the disconnect button appears. If I click on disconnect, it will disconnect the wallet.